Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A57 isn't recognizing your fingerprint. In such case, let's unlock our device a different way. Then swipe down the control center, tap the gear icon to open settings, and here in settings we're looking for security and privacy menu. Here we have it. Open it, then select lock screen, and in lock screen enter your password, go to Fingerprints, delete previously enrolled fingerprints, like this. And after that, wipe the surface of your screen using a microfiber cloth, preferably. If you don't have it, use a cotton t-shirt. I think it would be somewhat efficient. Generally, we want to focus at the bottom part of the screen, and once we're done cleaning it, let's add a new fingerprint, tap continue. Now let's tap register, and this time let's try to press firmly with our finger on the fingerprint sensor. In the meantime, I also want to tell you the most common reason behind this issue, and it's incompatible screen protectors, because they simply interfere with your fingerprint scanner, and sometimes they cause this issue. So if nothing I show you in this video helps you, try replacing it with the original one. Of course, do not remove it by itself. Have a new one prepared before you remove an old one. Okay, now once the fingerprint is added, let's also check whether our smartphone has any updates. So we can check for the updates if we scroll all the way down the settings menu to software update menu and check for available updates. And if you do have one, take your time to install it. Otherwise, just restart your phone to make sure that our fingerprint settings were applied. Hold down the power button and volume down keys and select restart. Wait until your device is relaunched. When our phone is restarted, let's unlock it using our password first. Then, most importantly, let the smartphone system launch. And then lock your smartphone and try using your fingerprint once again. Okay, as you can see, we still have some delays, but generally it works alright. And it unlocks our smartphone. Let me make sure that I'm actually unlocking it using fingerprint and not my face. Okay, so it works, but if it's not working for you, then we can perform a little trick. It's gonna be kind of difficult, but we want to register the same fingerprint the second time. So yeah, and it actually works, and it actually improves fingerprint recognition, since we will re-register all the parts of our fingerprint that weren't registered before, and our device can actually detect two fingerprints at once. So yeah, why not? Let's just go back to security and privacy. In settings, let's go to lock screen, enter the pattern, and go to fingerprints. Without removing our first fingerprint, let's wipe the surface of our device once again, like this, so no stains are left on it. And then tap add fingerprint, tap register, and then register your device once again. And your device will be complaining about recognizing your fingertip from somewhere, but generally speaking, it's still more than just possible to re-register your fingerprint. Okay, wait until the counter goes all the way up to 100. Try to use different parts of your fingerprint as a fingertip as well. Okay, and now let's try to unlock the smartphone. And as you can see, it performs very nicely. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.